what's up, nigga? I pop more figures and I pop my motherfucking AK-47, nigga. 80 clips on my mind, nigga. That's all I stand, all a fucking 100 grind, nigga. You don't understand my motherfucking 9 shoot at you a quick, nigga. And I'm from Hendersonville, nigga. Clear you quicker than a motherfucker. You better check the status, nigga. Yeah, they only kill 8 fucking people, though. And I motherfucking murder, though. And you won't catch me running out no house, though. I'm too slick for that shit, too quick for that shit. I'm a motherfucking grimy nigga, bitch. You better catch me slipping if you wanna ditch me. I'm a hoe that will flip you up and crippy beef you. You don't understand what I'm saying, bitch. You better come at me like man to man. I'm handing you with a Dana band, so I'm motherfucking getting it, with it. If you wanna bounce with me, shorty, I'm fucking with it. I fucking throw them hands, I don't do no talking. So what the fuck you mean you wanna walk and talking, nigga? I'm walking talking, nigga. I'ma bust you, nigga. I'ma put it dead in your mouth and you fucking trust it, nigga. I ain't no motherfucking lame, you better trust me, nigga. And I will punch you in the mouth if you talking, nigga. Understand my words, nigga, you heard it better than. You heard it fucking settle been, and I will settle it with your motherfucking ass, nigga. Blood gang, that's all I rep all day. It's my fucking fam, yeah. B5 gang, nigga, in Ruffin County, nigga. That's my fucking bound. You don't understand, nigga, you better catch a town. Nigga, catch a transit to my fucking town. We'll blank on any nigga that come around, nigga. If you wear crappy swag, you better bring it round. You better bring your fucking shit, nigga. We coming back on you fucking hoes like fucking rats, nigga. I don't give a fuck, we eat you like some cats, nigga. Eat you like a motherfucking tiger rat, nigga. You don't understand what we do is back, nigga. And the motherfucking goon shooting up, nigga. Fuck you niggas, we in your face, we looking at you. We'll kill all one of you pussy ass niggas. You don't want no game, we want this money, man. And you said he acting funny, man, we pulling triggers, man. You better get it before I snatch it, boy, at your fucking frame. I'll pull out your hair and go you insane, nigga. I'm not a nigga that play, I spray them fucking games. And if you wanna play, nigga, I got a fucking chain. I drop everything for 3 minutes, nigga. Brat, nigga, in your face, you understand it, nigga. That's gonna shoot you, nigga. And that's gonna power, nigga. That ain't no motherfucking gun, that's to the hour, nigga. That's my shit, nigga. And I will drop you, nigga. I will pop any nigga that wanna be hit, nigga. You come to my face, nigga, I will stop you, nigga. And I'ma keep it under, nigga, like this, nigga.